Okay, my dear students, let's complete this exercise. Let's go to the question number 2 now. Question number 2, the same thing, it's covering the same thing, nothing new as such. Here the dividend p of x is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2, and divisor is even now the same thing, that is x minus 1. So definitely taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 1. Okay, my dear students, so now again I will bring it to notice that p of x actually is equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2, and then p of 1 will be equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. So p of 1 actually is going to be 1 ones are 1 into 2 2 plus k into 1 also k and plus root 2. But remember, here nothing you can do because they are all unlike terms. But then since x minus 1 is factor of p of x, this is given, therefore p of 1 is equal to 0. This is 1, this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we get, what do we get? P of 1, P of 1, this whole thing is also equal to 0. 2 plus k plus root 2 is equal to 0. So now if I shift everything over there, I want to find the value of k. 2 will be shifted minus 2 minus root 2. This is the value of k, my dear students. If you want, you can write it in this fashion also. You can write it in this fashion, take the minus sign outside, and inside you will write 2 plus root 2. Anything will do. Let me check the answer. Whenever the answers are odd, it's better to check. Yes, it is written in this fashion anyhow, but you can write it in any way, no problem. Okay, my dear students, this is one we have done with question number 2. Now let's solve the third question. Third question asks us to deal with what? See, same thing it is. P of x dividend p of x is equal to what? Kx square minus root 2x plus 1, and divisor is actually equal to x minus 1. So taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 1. Okay, my dear student, this is what we will get. So we will now write p of x is equal to k x square minus root 2x plus 1. So p of 1 is actually going to be k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So p of 1 is equal to k minus root 2 into 1 will give root 2 plus 1. This is final. I can't do anything other than this. But since x minus 1 is a factor of p of x is given, therefore p of 1 has to be equal to 0. This is my 1, this is my 2. From 1 and 2 we get what? This whole thing, k minus root 2 plus 1 is going to be equal to 0. So I want to find the value of k. This minus root 2 will go there and become plus root 2, and plus 1 will become minus 1. So this is the value of k. Okay, check it. Root 2 minus 1, yes, that is fine. This is how you will be getting. Now let us do the fourth one. For the day this is enough because the other questions are slightly different. Dividend p of x is actually equal to what? Kx square minus 3x plus k, and divisor they are giving is x minus 1. So taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1. Fine. So p of x is actually equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. Therefore p of 1 is going to be equal to k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. So p of 1 is actually going to be k into 1 square 1, k into 1 k. minus 3 plus k. Now these are like terms. So this will become p, k plus k will be 2k minus 3. These are unlike terms. We can't do anything over here. But x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. This is given. Therefore, p of 1 is going to be equal to 0. This is my second equation. This is my first equation. From 1 and 2, we get what? 2k minus 3 is equal to 0. So I want to find the value of k. So first this term I will shift over there. I will get 2k is equal to 3, and then 2 will shift on the other side, will become k is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, my dear students, this actually we stop over here. Of course, this exercise is yet to be done. There is a factorization procedure that you have to understand and you have to learn. Okay, my dear student, the first actually speaking, this is slightly different. Fourth is a new topic, at least from what we have learned till now. We'll do that. First, I'll finish the basics of that. I'll teach some things about that, and then we will go to the factorization. Fifth topic will actually include something more also. Okay, my dear students. So up to here, you have to solve. Kindly solve these all questions and stay safe, my dear students. Love you all.